because when Knife River needs something made in 1 minute, we have to run.
They do, they're great.
That's typical. They think we make oatmeal. We just got to add water and microwave it, and here you go.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Knife River Pre-Stress.
We'll start the tour. Every day, there's about 80 active projects out here currently. We do about 300,000 pounds a week of structural steel in and out of here, and that's with coatings. That even includes light steel like miscellaneous handrail. This building starts with 2 ends of automation to flow through, and then basically when we work our way to the end, it'll be paint on this building, so paint and blast. So this one's a robotic plasma cutter. Plasma cuts about 20,000 degrees, so it's cutting the shape, so whatever you need, you kind of see a little pallet of it there. And there's 5 of these machines on this property, so that's just feeding this part of this one building. Double saw room, so we can saw up to 52 inches wide, 24-inch thick steel. This is for Kaiser Aluminum. Shovel Bucket, our in-house engineer, works with them and they design what they need, and we'll always kind of make whatever they need, whatever breaks. This is what we got to fill up with weld. So once that gets welded together, it was like it was made as one, melted and manufactured as one. What you see here, that's all, it's about 75% of everything we do goes to Hawaii and Alaska. So we ship to Hawaii, Alaska every day. And the steel you see here is only what we're using today. So to be efficient, we only bring it in the morning of and work it that day. So trucks come in, up to 18 trucks a day in and out of raw steel, and then a solid product out. Every year's been a record for us since '94. I would say that's due to our diversity and doing a little bit of everything in every market. We have a good crew. Where we're at, we get a lot of good, talented workers. We really are hands-on and show everybody how we do it the Northwest Steel Fab way, and that's part of our success.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Knife River Pre-Stress.